This is a 2007 GMC Sierra 1500 Classic 4x4 that's sure to sell quick. This one-owner truck has only 91,000 miles and a clean history report with no accidents. With a 5.3-liter V8, 4-speed automatic transmission, 373 rear axle ratio, heavy-duty trailer equipment package. Features include power sunroof, dual-zone automatic climate control, personalized comfort for driver and front passenger, Bose premium sound system, high-quality audio experience with a 6-disc CD changer and Sirius XM satellite radio, power accessories, including windows, door locks, and a driver's 6-way power seat, remote keyless entry, rear audio controls. Passengers can enjoy their own audio settings with headphone jacks and power outlet. Factory 20-inch chromed aluminum wheels provide a rugged yet polished look. Fog lamps and dual cargo area lamps. Improved visibility in various conditions. You have to see this truck in person. With a low miles, one-owner history, and the overall condition of this truck, it should sell quickly. Don't miss your opportunity. For more information about this vehicle, or to see our large selection of quality vehicles, go to carfactorymt.com. You can buy with confidence at the Car Factory. We are Montana family-owned and operated for over 2 decades. And our great reviews on Google show that people love doing business with us. Stop by today. 4562 State Ave, Billings, Montana